So today what we want to do is talk about the two reasons the academic elite, certain scientists, and the educational system fail. The first reason is pretty obvious, and that's a lack of discipline. And discipline is necessary to do the work and to look at possibilities that you really want to reject for reasons other than facts. The bigger issue is one I learned from a German professor I had for calculus years ago. And he says the whole problem with the educational system is I cannot give you problems to work that do not have a solution. And in the real world, a lot of the problems, a lot of the tasks you'll be given don't have a true solution. And you have to use approximation, do the best you can, or find the best solution possible to fit the problem. Because in a lot of instances in real life, there is no solution to the problem. You just have to do the best you can. Please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see you on the next episode.